Okay, so let's just look at some reaction schemes. If you want to just pause here, what you can do is have a go and work out, okay, what are the reactants here? What are the reactants or the products? What is the missing reagent, or what is the type of reaction? So fill in the spaces of these reaction schemes and see if you get the same answers as me. So the first one here, we have an alkene. It is propene. We are adding the reagent Br2. Now remember, because we're adding the diatomic halogen, a bromine molecule made of two bromines, what happens is the double bond breaks, and then a bromine is attached to each carbon that was part of the double bond. So we get this molecule here, which is 1,2-dibromopropane, and because we have added something, broken this double bond and added something, this is called an addition reaction. Let's look at reaction 2. Now, because these first two reactions are alkenes, it's highly likely that they are addition reactions, and this is also an addition reaction, but instead of being a diatomic halogen, we have a hydrogen halogen molecule here. We've got hydrogen bromide. So again, we're going to break this double bond. We will add a hydrogen to one side and a bromine to the other. And this, of course, is also an addition reaction. Notice that in this addition reaction, a hydrogen and a bromine, and the previous one, a bromine and a bromine. Okay, so now we have a haloalkane, an alkyl halide, we might say. We are adding the reagent KOH alcohol. So we might remember that when we add KOH, or that is potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, in an alcoholic solution, then it is going to eliminate the functional group, the halogen, and a hydrogen from an adjacent carbon. So here we're going to take away the chlorine and a hydrogen. It doesn't matter which hydrogen, because this molecule is symmetrical here. So this is called an elimination reaction, and this is going to produce propanone. Okay, so down here at problem 4, we can see that there are two possible products. So immediately I'm thinking, okay, two possible products at this level with the chemistry, organic chemistry. There are the two types of reactions we're thinking about: addition, when we use Markovnikov's rule, or we have elimination using Zaitchev's rule. Now, because there is no double bond here, but there is an OH, we can see this is an elimination reaction. And, we can see the reagent here is concentrated H2SO4, so it's going to take away a water molecule from this alcohol. So we are looking at the OH here, we're going to remove it, and then a hydrogen from an adjacent carbon. Now, if we remember Zaitchev's rule, we remember that the majority of the time, to make the major product, we are going to remove the hydrogen from the adjacent carbon that has the least hydrogens, the poorest, and that's the one on the right here. And the one on the left is the richest. So this is an elimination reaction. We are going to produce the minor product is going to be when we take the hydrogen away from the richer one, or the carbon with the most hydrogens on the left. And the major product is going to be when we take the hydrogen away from the adjacent carbon that has the most hydrogens attached. This is an elimination reaction as well. Okay, so one last problem here. Oh, okay, we have the answer, but that's fine because we've given the reagent here. We can see that the reagent is hydrogen molecule. It's in with a platinum catalyst. So if you've remembered your reagents and how they sort of pair up with their reactions, we know that this is an addition reaction, and we're adding hydrogens after we've broken a double bond. So we have to draw an alkene that would make this, and the only alkene that can make this is propene. Okay, and this is going to be an addition reaction, and that is reaction schemes. Okay, look out for the extra videos I have on reaction schemes. They're going to get progressively harder until we become very confident with them. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this has made you more confident with your chemistry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment about anything that you want to with this video, or any questions you have. I'll see you later.